Hi guys, welcome to Rose Garden Soap Company. Today is my very first YouTube video, so bear with me please. I'm actually recording on my iPhone and I'm editing and I'm doing all of that, and I just have a little tripod, so bear with me please. But today we are going to be making a test batch because I've never used this recipe that I created or this fragrance because I'm just starting out with fragrance oils. I'm usually just using essential oils. But today, I'm going to be using this slab mold that I made out of a foam board. And I'll be linking this in the description box on how you can make it. I got it from another YouTuber, a YouTube soap maker. Crap. Okay. And I'm going to be using this Satsuma Orange from Nurture Soap. I got 2 of them because they're ½ ounces and I need about an ounce. This orange essential oil is about an ounce and about a ½ ounce, and I just want to add that to it so it can smell extra orangey. Then I have titanium dioxide that I got as a sample because I'm not really sure if I like titanium dioxide or not. And then I'm using Shimmer Gold mica and a mango tango mica from Nurture Soaps, and they're all samples. That's how you can save money if you just want to try out something, okay? So get this camera right. Sorry. Well, my phone. So we're going to go ahead and get started, all right?
Doesn't make sense now. She just got a real ton of light, I ain't sense now.
Killing the vibe, gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the